हौसला अफजाई वो कर रहे हैं केरला स्ट्राइकर्स के लिए। प्रशंसक जो आए हुए, दर्शक जो आए हुए हैं, सलमान खान की प्रेजेंस की वजह से शायद मुंबई हीरोज को भी उनका भी हौसला बढ़ता हुआ।
बिल्कुल उसका लाभ जरूर मिलेगा। बहुत बड़े सितारे हैं सलमान खान, और इस मुकाबले में ना केवल कुछ बड़े सितारे जैसे मोहनलाल हैं, पर अन्य सितारे भी खेल रहे हैं बॉलीवुड के। पर यहाँ में मिसफील्ड होती हुई अंदरूनी किनारा, गेंद कहीं भी जा सकती थी, पर इस समय जरूरी है मुंबई हीरोज के लिए रन आने, किसी भी अब तरह आए, स्कोरबोर्ड चलता रहना चाहिए।
काफी प्रभावित हूं मैं मदन मोहन की गेंदबाजी से। श्रीशांत का टच है उनमें, हाई आर्म एक्शन से डालते हैं, विकेट के करीब से डालते हैं, बॉल को स्विंग भी करा सकते हैं, इन कटर करा सकते हैं। तो एक बहुत अच्छी खोज मैं कहूंगा केरला स्ट्राइकर्स के लिए।
इस बार कट किया, बढ़िया स्ट्रोक और 4 रन मिलते हुए। काफी देर के बाद ये बाउंड्री आती हुई तीसरी इस इनिंग्स की। बूम चिका वावा चौका,
कोई दो राय नहीं इसमें। विड्थ ऑफर की और उसका पूरा इस्तेमाल किया सनी ने। काफी देर के बाद लूज गेंद लगी थी। एक अच्छा फॉलो अप डिलीवरी मदन मोहन द्वारा। आप देख रहे हैं मतलब उनके बॉल के पीछे कुछ वर्क है, मतलब बॉल सीम कर रही है अच्छी सी। और मुझे लगता है कि ये इवनिंग मैच की वजह का भी मतलब फर्क थोड़ा पड़ रहा है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर थोड़ी हवा में ठंडक आ गई है और ड्यू का भी फैक्टर आप मान सकते हैं कि विकेट से बॉल स्किड कर रहा है।
या हमेशा ये देखने को आया कि दूधिया रोशनी में जो तेज गेंदबाज है उनको थोड़ी सहायता मिलती है, और यहाँ पे अच्छी गति के तहत भी गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं मदन मोहन। फिर से बढ़िया गेंद, चकमा दिया बल्लेबाज को, ड्राइव करने का प्रयास, बीट किया।
और इस वक्त मैं चाहूंगा कि अगर थोड़े प्रोएक्टिव हो केरला स्ट्राइकर्स के कप्तान, एक स्लिप अगर ले आए तो एज अगर कोई मिलता है, क्योंकि एक फास्ट बॉलर के लिए उससे तकलीफदायक वो चीज होती है जब एक एज लगे और वहां स्लिप फील्डर ना हो, या एज लगे और कैच चली जाए, क्योंकि इतना एफर्ट लगता है फास्ट बॉलिंग में।
एक बार फिर से अच्छी गेंद, अच्छी उछाल प्राप्त करते हुए कंधों का बहुत बढ़िया इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं मदन मोहन, और आसान ही नजर आ रहा बल्लेबाजों के लिए। हालांकि सनी ने कुछ अच्छे स्ट्रोक्स खेले हैं। बहुत जरूरी है कि अब दोनों तरफ से थोड़ी सी आक्रामक शैली में बल्लेबाजी की जाए, क्योंकि अब जिस प्रकार हमने पहला मुकाबला देखा, एक हाई स्कोरिंग मुकाबला था, 187 रन भी अब चेज किए भोजपुरी दबंग्स ने, तो एक अच्छा स्कोर है, कम से कम 150 रन से ऊपर बनाना होगा मुंबई हीरोज को। बढ़िया गेंद, सम्मान देते हुए बल्लेबाज। 36 पे 1 मुंबई हीरोज।
It's back to you guys in the come box.
Many thanks, Shabani. And here we are in the early into the 8th over. And that seems to be about the only shot that the Mumbai Heroes have played, just a little dab to third man. And that big roar by the crowd indicating that they are very happy with the efforts of Mohanlal, the huge superstar in this part of the world. I'm Charu Sharma. Glad to have Rohan Gavaskar along with me. Rohan, fantastic atmosphere once again, as we could have anticipated.
Well, CCL just does not cease to amaze and surprise me. Packed house. The atmosphere is electric. And he's gone. He's bowled him around the legs. Tried a cheeky little paddle sweep. Didn't work out too well for him. And he's on the long walk back. Just what the Mumbai Heroes didn't need.
And of course, just what the Kerala strikers wanted. That's another bomb chicka wow wow moment. And here we go. I think he just went a little too far across. Tried to paddle it behind and just about clipped leg stump. Raja's long vigil comes to an end. Yeah, he did go across. A little unfortunate, but he should have done better with that sweep. 38 for 2 now, the Mumbai Heroes, and their mascot Salman will not be pleased, nor will the rest of their camp. Raja goes for a very slow 9 from 17, and the Mumbai Heroes in trouble. Well, this camper for a single.
39 of 7.5 overs. We come to the end of the 8th over. He swept that, and that's going to be a boundary.
So we end the 7th. Pressure though on Aftab. Like I said, didn't have a very good season last time around, mostly because of injuries. And this year, a lot of pressure. I believe he is also the vice captain. We'll see. Sumesh comes in for his first over from the pavilion end. The Kerala Strikers team, Rohan, quite different to last year. They have focused on getting some better cricketers to also do some movies.
Well, I was just going to say that it looks a much stronger outfit this year round. You can make out just by the body language of the players. They've been on a cricket field before. They've played the game before. It's not just about acting.
Wasn't a bad ball to begin with. On target. Just a hint drift to leg for the lefty.
And sensible batting by Aftab. Just knocking the ball around for ones and twos early on in his innings. Sunny's motoring along nicely at nearly run a ball. He's got 26 of 27.
To the right of the screen, Lissi Priyadarshan. Very much a part, an integral part of the Kalyan Jewellers Celebrity Cricket League Season 3. Has been so all the way from the top. That's obviously the Kerala Strikers bench, and they should have plenty of reason to be happy. And then on the left extreme, of course, Priyadarshan himself. Oh, what a strike! Came down a little late, and he used those muscles to very good effect. Another bomb chicka wow wow moment.
I think Sunny's going to be the key to the Mumbai Heroes innings. He's batted really well. He needs to battle a 17th or the 18th over. It's a beautiful shot. On the rise. Hit through the line. Good comeback delivery. Right in the block hole. But Sunny's good enough to dig it out for a single. Aftab will be keen to do well in this tournament. He's quite a cricket enthusiast. Has played cricket for CCI B team. And he'll be keen to show his credentials over here. His cricketing skill, his cricketing talent. And in front of 70,000 people. No better platform.
Again, very full by Somesh. The only downside, of course, is you put a little too much pressure on yourself for performance, and then, of course, you face a crowd such as this. I'm not saying hostile, but certainly partisan. Then it could multiply the butterflies in the stomach. However, he's lucky that he has Sunny on the other side. Here's a think tank of, well, at least in the centre, Vishnu Unduri, the chief of CCL. Caught the outer half of the bat.
Very unusual field placement there, Charu. You've got a point and a deep point. Normally you'd have that field at deep cover. But I have to say, very efficient field placement because it worked for them. If that field was at deep cover, that would have gone for a boundary.
That's the offside for the lefty, Aftab. Decent delivery. He's got a short third and a man at extra cover. That's the end of the 9th over. Mumbai still